Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little quick video. It's just going to be a Birchbox unboxing and also just a little chat about Birchbox in general. And yeah, so if you want to see what I got this time, then please just keep watching. Before I actually go in and unbox this, I have actually made the decision for the time being to cancel my Birchbox membership. So this will be the last one that I am receiving from Birchbox for the moment. So the reason that I decided to do that is because obviously they're late and stuff, which is fine. I really don't mind, like that's May's box, but I'm really not that bothered about that. There's just a lot of stuff in some of them that I'm not really using, and I'm getting to the point where I'm like, I'm not using all of it, so I'm spending like £13 a month. Yes, a lot of times you do get stuff that is worth over £13, and I completely understand that, but I'm just going to have a break from it. I'm going to use some of the products that I've got, and I might actually wind up trying a different subscription service eventually, and we'll just see how it goes. So as it stands, this is going to be my last box, and obviously, as you know, it normally comes in a pink packaging, and I think it's actually a metal tin because it's making a lot of noise. So let's just get this open. This is just what it's looking like. It's a metal tin like I thought, and it just says Birchbox on the front. It's quite good actually, it's quite nice. I'll just open this up, see if I can get into it. Oh, Jesus. There we go. So this is just what it's like, and it says Blooming Lovely on the card. And obviously it's just got all the stuff in it, so we'll just run through what there is. So the first thing that we've got is a mascara, Mani Kado one, and we actually chose what colour packaging we want, so I decided to go for blue. I knew I was getting this, and I'm excited to try that. I'm not actually going to open this just yet, because I do have another sample mascara that I'm just using up. So when I finish that one, I think it's a MAC one or something that I've got, I'm going between that and my Maybelline one, so when I finish my MAC one, I will open this one and use this one. Then the next thing that we have is the Grace and Stella Rose Spray. It's a hydrating facial mist. Oh, that sounds quite nice. Directions: mist 4 to 5 sprays onto face with eyes closed before or after makeup. Reapply if needed throughout the day and discontinue if irritation occurs. Let's smell this. It smells a little bit like rose. Smells quite nice. It's so nice to try. I might actually put a bit on my face now. Actually, I'll just hold my hair up. That is a strong spray. Jeez. Whew. Just balance it in with my sponge a little bit. That's quite nice actually. It gives a bit of a dewy look to the skin. It smells quite nice as well. Exciting to give that a try. Then the next thing that we have, which is typical because I've just actually bought a new one. This is the Absolute New York Blush Balm in Cotton Candy. Now, if you have just watched my recent video, which is a haul, it's a Shein makeup haul, and I have actually just purchased a new liquid blush, which is here, and I've really been liking it. I've got it on my cheeks today. I've really been liking it and the products. I have got all products on my face now. If you'd like to see what my actual opinions are, then go and check out that video. So this is obviously a blush balm, so it's obviously a cream blush. So we'll do a little swatch. So it's a bit more balmy than like the one, definitely than the Shein one, but also I've been using the W7 Chubby Cheeks, and this is like more of a pigmented one. There you go, you can kind of see in comparison. So that's the one that I have been using. This is the one that I've just received in my Birchbox. It's a bit more of a lilac-y pink, so that's quite nice. It's a different shade to try out. Then the next thing we've got is the Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Now, I have actually been in need of a new eye cream, so I'll be excited to try this out and see how it goes. Let's just have a little thingy. It's just a little squeezy tube as well, which is quite good. I'll pop a little bit on my hand. You know me, I like putting stuff on my hand. Why isn't it coming out? Not coming out. Finally. So I've had to like squeeze it like all the way down, which normally doesn't happen. So that's quite weird. But anyway, feels quite nice. It's quite a light formula, which is very nice. It's just here, but you probably can't really see it. God, it's windy today. Jeez, it's really windy. Don't know why it's so windy, but it is. It's like crazy. And there's a lot of traffic as well. Like I have obviously a window here, as you already know if you've seen my room tour. But it's really like the traffic is quite a lot on this road. I don't know if there's like traffic lights somewhere or what. Anyway, moving on. The next thing that we have is these. So this is a full size product. Alright, okay. So the next thing we have is the Sunny Isle Black Castor Oil Eyelash and Brow Serum. This is 100% natural serum packed with castor oil, which is proven to promote hair growth, boosts your eyelashes and your eyebrows, giving you a thicker, luscious lash and fuller brows in as little as 3 weeks. Apply once a day, dip the spoolie into the serum and brush onto your hairs. So this is what it looks like. So this retails for £17. So like I do say, you do get products that are over the price of £13, which is absolutely fine. And to be fair, I am actually really happy with this month box. It's typical because I literally just cancelled it the other day. But anyway, I've got a lot of products that I really do need to start using up. So especially in skincare and stuff. So I'm going to kind of use them and then I'll probably restart my membership. So open this up. Right. Ooh. This is just what it's looking like, and you do get a little spoolie with it as well, but I have absolutely tons of these, so that doesn't matter. I probably will change these every time I use them. This will be interesting. Let's have a sniff. Smells quite strong. Okay, it does smell very strong. Whew. So you apply a very thin layer of this onto your eyebrows and your eyelashes, and it's meant to encourage growth. If you'd like to see a video on how if this actually works, because there's a 3-month supply here, but it says that it can work, you can see results within 3 weeks. If you do want to see that, then just give this video a big thumbs up, and then I will know if you want to see it. And I can just film like little stages of process, like I could do maybe like once a week or something, and then just combine the whole video. Just let me know if that's something you would like to see. So yeah, this, and we've also got a free case of 8 Crafts beer. You've just got to pay the postage from here. So, alright. So, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Oh, I do actually just want to show you something that I got from Aldi. Oh my god. So if any of you know me like personally, you know that I love Harry Potter. It is one of my favourite films, and I was in Aldi yesterday and they have some Harry Potter stuff in, and obviously some of it's like kids stuff, like they've got I think bedding, pencil cases, all that kind of stuff, and they actually had some pillows, and I thought I really need to pick one up. So I got this pillow. It was $4.99 and it says, "I solemnly swear I am up to no good." And then it's got the map, bits of the map on the back, and it says like Harry Potter, Hogwarts and everything. I am absolutely in love with this. And they had quite a lot left at the Aldi that I go to, so maybe go and check it out if you are into Harry Potter or your kids are into Harry Potter. Go and have a little look and see if you've got anything left. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to see this video of the growth serum, then give it a thumbs up as well, and hit the subscribe button down below, and I will catch you in my next one. Alright, bye guys.